Hello everyone, friends. This is Valor. Today I'll show you what to do if Roblox isn't working and won't launch. For this, go to Settings, then Applications, and then Installed Applications. Here we look for Roblox. Here it is. This is my Roblox. Now click on the three dots, click Delete, and click Delete again to remove all Roblox completely. As you can see, I have several here. I click the Delete button and it gets removed. Next, let's go to the Microsoft Store. And here at the top, search for Roblox. Oops! I click on it and then install it through the Microsoft Store. If it still doesn't work, type Roblox in the Start menu, right-click it and select App Settings. Here you can reset the app to factory settings, which will clear all your previous settings. You can also check properties. Well, that's all. This was Valor. Like and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, everyone.